Hello, hello. Welcome to the first ever unboxing here at AC Entertainments. I am super excited for you to be here. I recently picked up this Apple Watch Ultra a few weeks ago. The MSRP for this Oceans Apple Watch Ultra is $799 here in the United States. However, I did choose to finance this watch through T-Mobile, which will add about $35 to my pre-existing bill. Thankfully, there is no interest or any prepayment penalties. The watch took about 3 days to arrive to my residence, and without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into the watch. My first impression of the box is that it is what is expected from Apple. It's very sleek and minimalist with just the Apple symbol and the watch. Turning it over, I do see these two flaps, which I'm going to quickly and hastily undo, and two more flaps, which we're going to open as well. And opening that up, we're going to go ahead and see our user manual along with the beautiful picture of crashing waves, since this is the Oceans Apple Watch. Inside is going to be also a sweet little boarding pass, just in case you have some grievances that you do want to go address to Tim Cook in person. I kid. Inside is going to be some familiar information and some new information, but we'll set that to the side for now. The box itself for the Apple Watch is going to have these two stickers. We're going to go ahead and peel those off. I cannot tell you how satisfying that is. And we're going to go ahead and get the other side. Love unboxing things just for any plastic Klingons or stickers. Just peeling those off is absolutely amazing. Like if you relate. Inside, we're going to go ahead and have our housing for the Apple Watch Ultra itself, along with the charger. This is apparently the new MagSafe charger, which can also charge your AirPods and is going to provide fast charging. Go ahead and put the top back on, and we're going to go ahead, having some technical difficulties there, and we're going to go ahead and put that to the side. Looking at the strap box, we're going to go ahead and unpeel the last satisfying sticker. And once we go ahead and open up that box, we're going to go ahead and see some more instructions, just to go ahead and set up the new Apple Watch band, because this is a new band specialized for divers. The band itself looks very comfortable. And feels very soft to the touch. And what is going to be, it's going to be just one size, which is going to be the large strap in the color white, along with a hook to go ahead and secure that strap once it is on your wrist. I'm having some technical difficulties taking it out. They did not make it the easiest to get these straps out compared to the last models of Apple Watch. As you can see, I'm still having some technical difficulties. I promise this is my first time. Once I am able to get all of the things out, all in all, very sleek presentation from Apple. We have the Apple Watch, the charger itself, which is again braided, so for extra strength, and is going to go ahead and charge your AirPods as well. And we also have the straps, the strap hook or loop, whichever one you prefer to call it. And there you have it. That is going to be the Apple Watch Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.